The last 4 packages pallet, total 200 pieces. Until now, all the pallets we load in container. We push in of the container, then load block machines. We already load 4 packages pallet. Now load mixer. 现在装传送带，这个传送带是7米 ，This is 7 meter fast conveyor. It connection with batching machine and mixer. All the pallets, 2 conveyors, mixer, host block machine, control box. Now load stacker. Now load host block machine. We are finished to load this container. Host block machine vibration motor and vibration motor seat. What's there? Hopper we take out because it's too high, so we take out. We put in container. If space not enough, we will cut the hopper. When you receive the hopper, you waiting, then install by boots. Boots install on machine is okay. Here put a block machine hopper. Then we put the block machine here. Hey, man.
拿不下来了，因为你去拿不下来了。